The first sorting algorithm we will look at is called bubble sort. This algorithm works by looping through a list to be sorted. At each iteration, it compares items that are side by side and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. It will traverse a list repeatedly until no more swaps are needed. The algorithm is called bubble sort because the largest value will bubble up to the end of the list. Let's look at an example on how this algorithm works when sorting in numerically ascending order. Here we have an unsorted list of 4 items. The algorithm begins by looking at the first 2 items in the list at the 0 and 1 index positions and checking if their values are out of order. In this case, 65 is greater than 3, and since we want the items to be in ascending order, 65 needs to be higher than 3, so we switch their positions. As you can see, 65 bubbled up because it was larger. Our list looks like this now. Now the algorithm will add 1 to each of the indexes that it's checking, so that now it's checking the values at first and second position. In this case, that's 65 and 100. Since they are in the correct order, the algorithm does not swap the indices. Finally, we move on to the last adjacent pair in the list, 110. Since they are out of order, we swap them. When we reach the last pair, this indicates the end of the first pass-through of the entire list. We can see that the list is almost sorted, but it's not quite there. We must traverse the list again from the beginning. To save us the time, here is the last iteration of the list. When all of the values are sorted, then we have reached the end of the sorting algorithm. There you have it, the bubble sort algorithm. Because of its exhaustive traversals of the list, the bubble sort is considered a brute force approach when it comes to algorithm techniques. In the following exercise, we'll step through an implementation of it in Python.